First add 5 photos, make sure it's 9:16, zoom it to cover black on the clip. Click and copy the one street photo, then drag it to the next clip. Do it 4 times. Adjust the duration according to this list. Now in transitions, basic blur 0.5s, then apply it to all. For shake transition, go to effect, then add party shake 1. Reduce the length like this. Copy it 7 times, then put it below the transition. Now add audio. This audio is uploaded in my shorts videos. Now add for photos. Copy the first one, then adjust the duration hereth list. Now add overlay. Add the clip of your winner for other main dancer. Adjust the duration like this. Copy it, then put it below the original clip. Click the first overlay, find mask, click it, then choose split. Rotate the line like this. Click check, then add keyframe on this spot, then click the second overlay to do the same process but rotate it in opposite directions. Also add keyframe on the second overlay, then listen to the sound, then add keyframe. While the second keyframe is red, move your overlay like what I'm doing. Add keyframe also at the end part. Watch carefully and follow what I'm doing. Click then next clip, split it like this, then edit the next clip to mirror, split it then mirror again. Edit mirror then split. There is no specific duration for this, that's why observe where I split. This time when you split, make it more or less duration. Don't forget to mirror it alternate. Now at flash effect, stock videos white, duration 0.3 second animation fade out 1 splice overlay. Now copy it, then put the copies on every other clips. Now add the text, like what you see on my edit, then done, and export it. Here's the results. Thank you for watching.